Bosch, the German auto components supplier, is partnering with startup Nikola Motor Co to bring two hydrogen-electric, long-haul, heavy-duty truck models to market by 2021, the companies said on Tuesday. The market for electric medium and heavy-duty trucks is in its infancy, but has drawn a growing crowd of competitors. Truck manufacturers such as Daimler and Navistar International, as well as electric car maker Tesla and a host of other new entrants, are racing to overcome the challenges of substituting batteries for diesel engines as regulators crack down on carbon dioxide and soot pollution. Bosch and Nikola will jointly develop a powertrain using Bosch's eAxle technology. Bosch, which had €73.1 billion $87 billion, in sales in 2016, has been shifting away from traditional combustion engine technologies to zero-emission vehicles. The vehicle uses a hydrogen fuel cell to power the electric motor. Hydrogen fuel cells are easier and quicker to charge than batteries and have a longer range. The Nikola 1 and Nikola 2 models are both supposed to have a range of between 800 miles to 1,200 miles, an electric powertrain and zero emissions. Bosch and Salt Lake City-based Nikola said the eAxle system will be paired with a jointly developed custom-designed fuel cell system, and hope the powertrain will achieve segment-leading performance at a competitive total cost of ownership. High battery costs are a significant hurdle to mass adoption of electric vehicles as they limit vehicle range and size. Industry executives like Navistar Chief Executive Officer Troy Clark say that in the short term, electric package delivery vehicles in urban areas with short, predictable routes will be the main area for competition until battery prices come down. Last week Daimler said United Parcel Service will be the first U.S. commercial customer for its new battery-powered decanter package delivery truck. The company hopes to expand electric truck production as lower-cost, longer-range batteries become available within 2 to 3 years.